Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Siegfried Weigert and today we are talking about the first dedicated modular embedded server platform. And it's based on Intel's Ice Lake. And Andreas, what are the other news?
Yeah, there are a lot of news regarding the new Ice Lake products. First of all, we are talking about the real high-performance product with 20 cores at 2 GHz. Also, we have support for 1 terabyte of DRAM, which is very important for such a server platform. And in addition to that, we have 100 gigabit Ethernet throughput support.
Well, that's a lot of throughput. How about the internal interfaces?
Also, the internal interfaces are quite impressive because we have 32 PCI Express lanes Gen 4 and 16 PCI Express lanes Gen 3 for the customer free to use. And also we have a one-time 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for multiple purposes.
Wow, that's a lot of power and a hot product, literally. How about cooling?
Yeah, cooling is very important with this product because we are talking about a 118 watt TDP CPU. So of course we have our standard active and passive cooling solutions. We have also standardized heat spreaders for COM Express and COM-HPC. And in addition to that, we have a heat pipe adapter, and this helps the customer to create their own flat and fanless cooling solutions.
Well, that's especially important for harsh embedded use. That sounds really great. How about if I don't need that much of performance? If you don't need all the performance from the Ice Lake high core count, that's how it is called, you can also choose the low core count. And this variance is limited to 10 cores and to a maximum of 67 watt TDP. So all customers that don't need all of these new features can switch and can scale down to the low core count. Can I do AI at the edge with these devices? Absolutely. AI is supported by Ice Lake. For example, we have built-in AI acceleration like AVX 512 or also VNNY, which stands for Vector Neural Network Instructions, and that's a deep learning boost. You have a great hypervisor at congatec. Can it be used with that technology? Absolutely. Because of the 20 cores, workload consolidation is a very interesting field with the Ice Lake, and the real-time systems hypervisor is a perfect match for this. Very smart, very efficient. What would be a kind of application or the typical user for a system like that? There are several markets that the Ice Lake is interesting for. For example, we are talking about industrial PCs because of the workload consolidation and also because of the industrial use condition. It also survives very harsh environmental conditions. Also, test and measurement devices, for example, are also a field because you have usually a lot of data stream. And with all these PCI Express lanes and the Ethernet throughput, this is totally a perfect match for that as well. Wow, that was a very impressive presentation about a very impressive product. Thank you. Stay tuned. We'll be back with more later. Thanks for being here with us. Bye-bye.